everyone, welcome to our channel once again of Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. Myself Kajal Kulkarni and I am teaching you all social science for grade 5. Okay, so before we start, I'll just ask you one thing. Have you purchased toys? Yes, you all have purchased toys. Now when you purchase some toy, maybe remote control car or maybe some other toy, and if your friend staying next to you, he likes your toy very much and he will ask you, "Arey, from where did you take this toy?" Then what will you say? "Arey, yahan pe hi baaju mein se liya." Will you say it that way? No. You will tell the name of the shop. And what else? If that boy, if your friend, he is not knowing where that shop is located, then what will you do? You will start drawing something. Yes or no? From our house, go straight, take a left, take a right. Again, you will start doing some actions and you will start showing the directions. So, that is called what we explain. That is called map. Okay. So, today we are going to learn with a new lesson, that is maps. Now in last chapter we had learned about globe. Globe is a small model of earth. Now what is map? See, now globe, if we see globe, we can see at one time only one part of the globe, right? And it is the accurate shape or accurate model of earth. But what is map? Map is nothing but it is just flattened up. Now as we are standing and we look around ourselves, what we see? We see flat surface, right? We see only flat surface. So now these maps are made such a way that they are flat. Next, now I want to go for a picnic. Maybe we have planned some picnic. Now before going for a picnic, what we do? We directly pack our bags and we go for picnic? No, we don't do that. What we do? We first sit and plan everything, where we want to go, how we are going to go, yes or no? So same way, this maps, first we plan out how we will go. We draw the routes, how, which transport or what facilities are available. We collect all those things and we start with a picnic. So now when I have started, what will happen if I want to go somewhere, right? If suppose I am a hiker. Hiker means what? I climb mountains and I want to go from one place and I want to travel it a very long distance. So what I will do? I will carry a map with me. Now is it possible to carry a globe along with you? See, now I am carrying my backpack, and is it possible to pack the globe inside? No, it is very difficult. So the maps are made in such a way, they are flat and you can roll it easily and you can carry it anyhow. You can even fold it. See, now you must have seen a few treasury maps. Yes, treasury maps यानी कहीं पे कुछ बहुत सारा सोना है और वहाँ का मैप मिल गया. In cartoons also they show. Yes or no? So these maps help you to locate the place. Now we will see that globes, they are very huge, and maps you can make it small, compact also. See, the globe, it is same size, means you can get bigger, but you can't make it small and you can't fold it, you can't pack it. Yes, so the map is what? You can carry it easily, you can handle it easily, you can fold and keep it anywhere and it becomes very comfortable. Now there are different types of maps. Okay, there are different types of maps. First is, if suppose you are staying in one building or your own bungalow is there. So do you have, means do you from your bungalow you reach to your neighbor's house? No, not at all. What do? You all have walls, you all have compounds or you all have fences, so that whatever area we are having, we stay only in our own area. We don't move out to the next or neighbor's house, right? So, the first map is our political map. Now, what is political map? Political map is nothing but it shows the boundaries of countries, cities, states. Okay? So, the next is physical map. Now, what do you mean by physical map? Physical map means they show the natural features of the map. Means you can say mountains, oceans, rivers, plains. Okay, so these things are shown in physical map. Then we have maps showing the crops. Now, how it is possible? If suppose this is the map of India. Okay, I'll just show it half. Okay, south part. This is the map of India, and in India there are many agricultural places where crops are grown. So, if I want to show only the agricultural states where the crops are grown, so what I will do? I will show it this way, means towards like in Maharashtra or anywhere you can say where the crops are grown. If I want to show only crops grown, so I will show that this is the area where many crops are grown. Okay, so these maps, they help us in seeing many different places and also the features, natural features. If there are what we say high rainfall areas where there is a very heavy rainfall, you can show even that in this. And how that is shown? The rainfall is shown in maps this way. You can show it in this way, or you can also show it like drops falling, heavy rainfall areas. Okay. Then if there is snowfall area, then how you will show? If there is snowfall area here, you will show something this way, right? So, maps are different types. Now, one thing is there about map. What it is? That if I tell you that draw a map of your house, okay? I am telling you to draw a map of a house. It is so easy. Why? Because we are staying in our own house. So, now I will show you how it is accurate and easy. Okay, now this is my house. Suppose this is my house, right? Now it is so small, my house is small. So whatever I will show the map of the house, that will be accurate. There won't be any mistakes. Will you show any mistakes about your house? No. If the entrance is from here, you will show that this is the entrance. Okay. Now from here, I will enter in my house. Here is my very big hall. I have drawn the hall. This is my hall. Now as I move here, here is our kitchen. This is my kitchen. Okay. As I move this part here, this passage, here is our toilet and bathroom. Here is one bedroom, here is another bedroom. Okay. This you can show the map of your house very clearly and accurately. Okay. So now whenever we are showing the map, see, you all are small. So what you will do? You will just show the map. But in actual maps where you are shown about your country or the worldwide, what they show, they put an arrow this way and they show that this arrow means here it is north direction. Which direction it is? North. In all the maps they show this direction. Why? So that it is easy for you to locate the east, west and south direction. Now see, for making it very easy, if you see the sun always rises from where does the sun rise? The sun rises from east. Very good. So wherever the sun rises, if suppose the sun is rising from here, this is the sun. So wherever the sun rises, point your right hand towards sun. So that will be your east direction. Now if the sun is rising here, wait, I'll show you. This is my sun. Here my right hand. Okay, here is my right hand. So this is east. Opposite to that will be west. Now towards your right hand, if this is my right hand, this is east, this is west. Exactly opposite here will be the north direction. So here in this it will be here, and this is south. This is east, west, north and south. Okay. So right hand will be east, west, north and south. So in all the maps they show that arrow towards top, pointing towards top, that is north direction. Okay. So now this is the small map of my house, or if you are drawing the map of your classroom, it is so easy that the classroom is a square, it is square or rectangular, and the benches are arranged, the blackboard is there, cupboard is there, you can show it through map. But if you are asked to draw the map of world, is it possible for us to show the map of the world accurately? No, it is not possible. Why it is not possible? Because the earth is so huge, right? So can you draw such a big map? It is not possible. So what we are doing, we are compacting the earth and we are making it to a small piece of paper. On a small piece of paper, we are showing the map of world, or the map of our country, or the map of our state. See, you must have seen, you get in market, you get different kinds of maps. Map of world, map of your country, map of your state, and even where you stay in Sholapur, you will get the map of Sholapur, which we can enlarge it and we can see it in a very big form. Okay. See, if you will see the map of world, map of India, if I will show you the map of world, wait, I will just see. Here we have one map of a world. Okay, see, this is the map of world. Okay, now see India, it is looking so small. Here this is India. Is it so small? No, India is very big country. But see in the map, it is shown so small. Now same way, here it is shown, if you see, it is so small, and see in this picture, here it is looking bigger than what it is shown here. Yes or no? See, in this picture it is looking small, and in this picture it is looking big. So what is the size of our country? We don't know. So what is this? When it is shown whole world on the piece of paper, what happens exactly, that the accuracy is missed out. Now if suppose the Greenland is shown here, it doesn't mean that the Greenland is exactly located there. The distance may differ. If you are showing the world map, then there is more chances of mistakes. And if you are showing the map of your school, suppose this is the school, if you show the map of your house, if you show a map of your classroom, then what happens? The accuracy level will increase. And if you are talking about the world, what will happen? The accuracy will reduce. Okay. So map, what is the problem with map? The map is shown, and the errors because of the world, a huge country, we have huge world, we have country, or you can say state. When it is shown on large scale, there are chances of more and more errors. Okay, so now we have seen different types of maps. Okay, now we will see the elements of the map. What are the elements of the map? Now, as I said, we have north, south, east and west. See, in this picture here, as here we had done some mistake because it was confusion. We have directions, that is north, south, east and west. Then there is scale, color and symbols. Okay, so first we will see with the directions. You can see on that picture also here. See this. On top we have north, this is the north direction, south at the bottom, towards right hand side we have east and left hand side we have west. Now here it is north, south, east, west, but what about the area which is located between north and west? So the areas which are located between north and west, they are called or they are located in northwest direction. This is called northwest direction. This is northeast. This is southeast. Why southeast? Because it is situated between south and east. So it is southeast. Here it is north and east. So northeast. South and west. So it is southwest. We have four main directions: north, south, east and west. We have four sub directions. They are northwest, northeast, southeast and southwest. See, exactly between south and west, exactly between south and west is southwest. Okay, see, you don't get confused with this. It is very easy. South और west के बीच में जो भी है वो southwest हुआ. South and east, whatever direction or sub direction, it is southeast. Okay, so these are the directions of our country. Now on top is always north. As I told you all earlier, on top is always north. At the bottom we have south. This area is south. We say North Indian, South Indian, yes, West Indian, East Indian. We say no, in India we have so many directions. So we call people in North Indian people hai ye, South Indian people. In South we have Kerala and all that, Tamil Nadu. So what we say? We say South Indian hai ye. Yes or no? So south, north, east and west. Okay, and there are the sub directions, that is northwest, northeast, southeast and southwest. Now we have finished with one of the direction part. Now what about scales? What are these scales? So we will see now scales. Now just imagine that Sholapur is so big. We will take Sholapur. We won't take full world or full country. We will start with small. Sholapur. Now is it small? No. Sholapur is also a big city. But if I want to show Sholapur on map, what I will do? I will synchronize it. I will make it small and I will show it on a piece of paper. Right? So now when I am showing Sholapur on a piece of paper, what I am doing, from my house to school is suppose 5 kilometers. Okay, from my house to school is 5 kilometers. Is it possible to show me the house and school in 5 kilometer distance? Then what will happen? The map will again become very huge and it will be very difficult. So what I will do? I will minimize the distance. That is, now 5 kilometer is there. So what I will do? I will convert it into centimeters. So scales are mentioned below the maps. Whenever the maps are shown, the scales are given just below the map. Now in this picture, I will show you one picture of world map only. See, here they have given the scale. Have you seen this? Whenever you purchase any map or whenever you see the maps, they always have this scale. Why is it so? Is the world so small? No, it is not this small. It is very, very, very big. But to show it on a piece of paper, I have made it to a very small extent. Now, if suppose 1 centimeter is there, then I will make it to 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometers. I will give the scaling in such a way that 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometers. So, this is the scaling. This is called scale. So, in this way, we can make the scale to small, we can make the map to small size. Okay. Now, we have the bar. I will show that bar. It is shown here. This is called linear bar. This bar is also given on the maps. This also they show it on the map. So, this bar is called as linear bar. Okay. Now, see, it is written each division in the bar is 1 centimeter here. From 0 to 100, it is 1 centimeter. From 100 to 200 kilometer, it is 2 centimeter. If I travel from here to Turzapur, so it is around 38 kilometers maybe. So, it will show you somewhere between here. See, here it will show. Is it that distance is that small? No, it is a very big distance. So, in maps they synchronize everything and they show it as scales. The next part is the color. Okay. Now, see this map. You can see the colors, different colors are given on the map on every part of the country. See this, here it is shown light color. So, this part is cool and dry. See the bifurcations they have given here. So, in each and every map they always give the bifurcations when it is a color map. So, now on a globe, you all must have seen that there are different colors given on the globe. So, the blue color shows here, the blue color shows that it is all water bodies, right? This is all water. Then the dark blue, where it is shown deep blue, it shows that it is a very deep ocean or deep water bodies. Okay? And the light blue shows that the water is shallow. Shallow means ज़्यादा deep नहीं रहता. Okay? That is not deep. So, the light blue shows that the water is shallow. The dark blue shows that the water body is deep, or deep blue shows the water body is deep. Then brown color. Now, brown color, which part has brown color? Mostly the mountains. So, the mountains are indicated in brown color. Okay. Then dark brown shows very high mountains. Okay. And yellow color is shown as plateaus and plains. So, these are the colors that indicate that where exactly what is located on the earth. Okay. Now comes the symbols. What are the symbols? Now, see, in this picture they haven't shown any symbols, but I will show one. You can see this. See here. On maps, you have different kinds. As I told you now, when there are crops, they show crops on that. Then where there is railway lines, they show this mark. Where there is police station, it is indicated as PS. Where there is capital of the country located, it is shown as this mark. The boundary between states, see this symbol and this symbol is little bit similar, but see these lines, they are bold. So these are boundaries of between two countries, and this is the boundaries between states. Okay, so this is national highway. Now if suppose I want to show the church, so I won't write the place where I want to show the church, I won't write the church, but what I will do, I will just put a cross, I will just put a plus mark, that this place there is a church. Okay, so on map there are, you can see different types of symbols. So maps indicate, they show different symbols, that this place you get crops, this place is famous for this thing, and all things have their own symbols. You can also create your own symbols, but when you take map, when you take the book, they have their own symbols. Now in market we get one book. In that book you get all kinds of, all different types of maps, and that book is known as atlas. Now in that atlas you will see each and every map, you can see colorful maps, you can see physical map, you can see political map, you can see the maps having symbols, you can see the maps having scales. Okay, so there in that atlas book you have many different types of maps. See here, a book of map is called an atlas. In this book we only have maps. We only have maps. Okay, and see the wall map we can also see in schools, in classrooms. We have maps in classrooms also. To show you all the maps, we have maps that are called wall maps. Okay, so now in this chapter we have seen everything about map. So now shall we see some videos? Very small they are, you will definitely enjoy it.
Last weekend we went to visit my aunt and uncle. They live in the country. What a nice trip! Yes, it was great. My dad drove all the way. Didn't your mom drive? No, she was the co-pilot. She carried a map and kept telling my dad which way to go. It was a strange map. That's because that map is different from the ones we've seen at school. Remember our teacher told us something about this?
This is a picture of the Earth as seen from space.
Wow, it looks so beautiful, completely surrounded by clouds and plenty of water.
Just clouds and water.
No, we can also find dry parts on the Earth called... Oh,
it doesn't matter, Jamie. They're the continents. If we could remove the clouds, the Earth would look almost like this world globe. Yes, but not everybody has got a world globe at home. Fortunately, there exist the maps. They show the same but drawn on paper. Look, for example, a photograph of all the world's continents. They look like this. Country borders have been drawn on the photograph.
What are the borders, miss?
They are lines that divide each country and show where a country starts and where it ends. This is a world map. It shows all the countries of the world on paper. The colors you see are used to identify each country. The map I'm showing you is a political map.
Look, I've got some maps here. Shall we look at them? Yes, let's look at them. This is a political map of the world. There are dividing lines on this map. What are they? Those are lines that separate one country from another. A political map shows the boundaries between countries and provinces. The most important cities may be shown as well, such as the capitals. Hey, don't forget to subscribe and answer the question. You can also
Okay, so I hope you all have understood this chapter, and if you have any queries, please note it down. We will meet soon. Till then, take care, be healthy. Thank you.